tenda mambo.
Praise the Lord, with whom there is nothing impossible. It's a decree from the throne room. He will answer you with awesome deeds in righteousness. Are you expectant? On the 29th of November 2025, all roads lead to Judah Prayer Center, Kisaju, Kajiado County. There will be a one-day conference that will be taking place at the Tent of David, beginning at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's a call to hold on to the horns of the altar. Jesus speaking in a parable in Luke 18 and verse 1. He said, men always ought to pray and faint not. Brethren, persistence wears out resistance. They that sow in tears shall reap in joy. Heaven is announcing a season of vengeance and justice, harvest and testimonies, restoration and divine results. It's an opportune moment. Register your presence.